In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share wish lists on Airbnb. If you've saved places you like and want to send that list to friends, family, or travel companions, Airbnb makes the process very simple. You can do this from either the Airbnb app or the website, so the steps are nearly the same no matter which device you're using. To begin, go to Airbnb and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the account where your saved wish lists are stored. Once you're in, open the main menu and look for the wishlist section. This is where Airbnb keeps all the places you've saved for future trips, ideas, or group planning. After you open Wishlists, select the specific wishlist you want to share. If you have more than one, take a moment to choose the correct one so you're sending the right list. This is especially helpful if you organize trips by destination, occasion, or travel group. Once you're inside the wishlist, tap or click the share button. This will open the sharing options available on your device. Depending on whether you're using the app or a browser, you may see different sharing methods, but the overall idea is the same. Next, choose how you'd like to share the wish list. For example, you might send it through a messaging app, share it by email, or simply copy the link. Copying the link is often the easiest option if you want to paste it into a group chat or send it through your preferred communication platform. After that, send the link to the people you want to share the wish list with. This is useful when you're planning a trip with others and want everyone to look at the same saved properties. It can make decision making much easier since everyone can review the options in one place. Keep in mind that anyone with access to the link may be able to view the wishlist depending on your sharing settings. So before sending it out widely, it's a good idea to think about who should have access. If the wishlist is meant for a small group, share it only with those people, and that's all there is to it. Log into Airbnb, open Wishlist, choose the list you want, tap share, pick a sharing method, and send the link. It's a quick and convenient way to collaborate on travel plans and keep everyone on the same page.